Your offers are the foundation of a high-converting, high-performing website. I'm going to take you through the 3 types of offers that you need on your marketing website to get leads. I'm going to show you how to make your leads click on them to actually convert. And make sure to stay to the end of the video because I'm going to show you which of these 3 offers is the best one. Hey, my name is Finn. I'm a web designer and marketing designer, and I'm helping startups and agencies design modern websites that actually get leads and look beautiful at the same time. See the link in the description where you can check out my other free content about how to get more leads from your website. Offers increase the chances that a site visitor will become a lead and will actually interact with your business. If you want to get more leads from your website, you need better offers and you need more of them. It's super important that we position this offer as valuable for the client and the customer because people don't give up their emails or just give away free time for nothing. They want to get something in return. And this is exactly why contact us or learn more isn't really a value proposition or an offer. 2, your offer needs to have a clear call to action that makes it seem easy and fast for them to get the value from that offer. So now let's take a look at the 3 types of offers that I recommend to my clients to maximize leads on their website. So you first want to have a primary offer, a sales call that's positioned as a high value consulting call. This is the most important offer on your site because it's when a lead is actually going to jump on a sales call with someone from your team. Of course, you want to position this call as something valuable where they're getting consulting, they're getting a free demo, they're getting a free quote, a free evaluation or audit, something in this that makes it sound more valuable, and obviously not calling it a sales call because it's going to really deter people. Book a free consultation, book a free audit, get a free quote, a free discovery session. Notice that each of these calls has a higher perceived value than just contact us or learn more. It's actually showing the client that this call is going to be worth their time and they're going to learn and come out of this meeting with something valuable. Now, as we know, the leads that come on our website aren't always ready to jump on a call with us. And so that's why we have a secondary offer. The secondary offer allows us to do 3 things: build more trust with the lead, capture their email, and position ourselves as experts. We're offering them some sort of free resource in exchange for their email so they can learn more, get some free value, but also trust us a lot more. We also want to capture the email so that we can put them into a nurturing campaign that warms them up to they get to a point where they can jump on that call. Your first option is a video, a webinar, or mini course. This video content is actually the best kind of secondary offer because video content is more engaging. You can actually hold people's attention for longer, explain things faster and more efficiently. It's a way to build a bit of familiarity with the lead because they're going to jump on a sales call with you eventually, but if they've already seen you on video, then it actually helps build that trust for that sales call. Have a free mini course, a free workshop, a free video case study. You can have a free webinar. Just as long as it's valuable, it's teaching your potential lead something and they're going to want to watch it. Now, if you're not doing a video, your next option is a PDF. This is some sort of report, industry guideline, ebook, cheat sheet, checklist, a short, concise PDF that has raw value in it for the client. So those are the 2 types of secondary offers, your video-based or PDF. The last part of actually building this offer is writing down what do these leads want to know? What questions do they have that need answering? And once you have a few of these major questions written down, what you can actually do is write the title of the offer that is going to be relevant and eye-catching for them. But what we can also do is write outcomes. So there might be 2 key outcomes that after they've read this ebook, they're going to know the next steps to implement the solution in their business. And they're also going to get a growth forecast of how much they could grow their business using this method over the next 6 months. Again, these are 2 key outcomes of this resource that they're going to be learning. And what we do is we put these under the title. We show them that by using this resource, by signing up for this webinar or this mini course, there's actually tangible benefits to it that are going to impact their business. And we actually tell them what those are. This is going to increase the chances of the users actually going to click on this offer and give us their email. And that's exactly what we want to do. So to summarize, we need to have offers on our website to get people to engage with our business. We need to offer them value, free value, either in terms of a primary offer, which is booking a call with someone from our team that we position as a strategy call or a consulting call where they get tangible outcomes from that. The second option is we either have a PDF or a video-based content, a resource that they can download in exchange for their email so that we can, of course, build more trust with them and familiarity, but also follow up with them on an email campaign. We want to make sure we're giving tons of value in this resource and that this is something that our users actually want to engage with. What questions are they asking you? What do they want to know? And we need to answer those questions in a very compelling resource with a catchy title. So if you're currently just using Contact Us or Learn More as your offer, by implementing these optimized offers, you're able to increase the conversion and increase the lead generation on your marketing website to turn it into a true marketing website, one that supports your business and gets you leads. If you've got any more questions about that, you can feel free to reach out to me on my website or over LinkedIn. I've got more videos on my website about how to optimize your marketing website.